Christa with artisticvegan.com, and welcome to my kitchen and another Artistic Vegan show. I'm happy to bring you a new delicious recipe, and it's great for winter and really any time to warm up your body. It's a winter-based minestrone soup, and it has things like sweet potatoes and yams and green beans and other wintry vegetables that give it just a really delicious flavor with the vegetable broth and the fresh herbs, and then of course the noodles. It creates a wonderful healing holistic soup, yet enough hearty vegetables to fill you up and have a meal all in and of itself. You can also freeze this if you leave out the noodles, and you can make it in one pot, or you can cook the noodles separate, however you like. In a very large pot, add the vegetable broth, chopped onions, carrots, celery, green beans, sweet potatoes. Season it with salt and pepper and cook over a medium flame for 10 to 15 minutes or until it becomes fragrant and golden in color. Add in the garlic and cook for a couple more minutes. Add the tomatoes, beans, vegetable broth, or you could use water in a cube. And rosemary and a bay leaf. Simmer for 30 minutes. In the last 10 minutes, you can add in the desired pasta, either gluten-free or your favorite, and cook that until fully cooked. You can cook it inside of the soup to do it one pot, or you can cook it on the side, whatever you prefer. Add in the fresh parsley, spinach, and I also added a pinch of sage, basil, red pepper flakes, and you can use salt and pepper to taste or season as desired. And then you just ladle it and serve it hot. Gerald and I both love to have soup in the wintertime. It just warms you right up from the inside out, and you can add healing stuff like ginger to boost your immunity this season. I hope you love this recipe. You can get it at artisticvegan.com. Please give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe if you liked it, and feel free to check out artisticvegan.vhx.tv for premium content. Until next time, bye!